boys and girls. It's Mrs. Garris. Time for some math today. I hope you're ready. I hope you're giving me 5. And we're going to get prepared and get right into it today, okay? We have a very magic number today that we're going to be working with. Okay, before we get started, let's see what we need. We need our math book. Topic A, I have it already turned to my page. It is the Lesson 8 problem set. Okay, the Lesson 8 problem set, you'll see these kind of interesting looking circles with one with some circles on it. Okay, so you're looking for those, and again it's the Lesson 8 problem set. I have my whiteboard here, something to erase with, something to write on my whiteboard with, and that is all we need for today. Alright, we're going to start off with our application problem, our story problem. So, grab your whiteboard and your marker and let's get started. Go ahead and pause me to go grab those materials if you need an extra minute. Okay, boys and girls, today in our problem set, let's see here. I have my friend Gavin, okay? And Gavin got 9 stickers at school, okay? And he got some of them in the morning and some of them in the afternoon, okay? So he got 9 stickers at school. Let's all... Oh, wait, Mrs. Garris, I shouldn't be drawing anything yet. I haven't listened to the whole problem. Let's finish listening and reading. Okay, so Gavin got 9 stickers at school. He got 5 of them in the morning. So how many did he get in the afternoon? Let's see here. All right, Gavin, you received 9 stickers at school. Quick math pictures. We use circles. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a row of 5. I start a new one. 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are all the circles that Gavin got at school. So this is for the whole day. Now, some of them he got in the morning. Some of them he got in the morning. So he didn't get any more than this. This is all he got the whole day. But some of them were in the morning. How many were in the morning? Do you remember? Yes, 5 he got in the morning. So why don't we just show the ones he got in the morning. I'm just going to quick shade them in. 4, 5. So I know that these ones he got in the morning. We can start a number bond here too to show our picture. Well, he has 9 he got during the day, and 5 of them were in the morning. Let's see how many he got in the afternoon. Well, how do we figure that out? This is an interesting problem because we have a missing part here. Instead of 2 parts that we're trying to find a whole, we have a missing part. So if we write a number sentence with a part and a whole, we write 5, so there's the part we know, plus something, we don't know how many in the afternoon, gave him 9 altogether during school. Well, in my picture I have these ones are colored in because they're in the morning. So that must mean that the ones that are left are the ones that he got the rest of the day in the afternoon. So how many did he get in the afternoon? 1, 2, 3, 4. He got 4 in the afternoon. 5 and 4 make 9. Do you remember that from yesterday when we did all our ways to make 9? 5 and 4, or 4 and 5, go together to make 9. Good. So if I were to ask you how many stickers did Gavin get in the afternoon, you would say, you'd use this number that is in the square, Gavin got 4 stickers in the afternoon. Good job, first graders. That was our first unknown part, I call that, unknown part problem we've done all year. Great work. Go ahead and erase your board. Here's our I can statement today. I can find ways to make, yesterday was 9. What do you think today is? It's our friendly 10. 10. We have 10 fingers. 10 is so friendly, boys and girls. We need to know so much about 10. If you know about making a 10, then you will be successful in first grade and in second grade and for your whole life. So the partners to make 10 are super duper important. Do you hear me? Super duper important. Okay? Okay, let's get started. Alright, now, boys and girls, you'll see that I'm going to have my problem set open on my whiteboard. So I have some space here on my whiteboard and my problem set. If you have enough room on your table, you can have your whole whiteboard with your problem set off to the side. But we're going to be kind of working in them at the same time. So have a spot where you can have your whiteboard with some space and you have space to write in your problem set as we go. Okay? Now, boys and girls, one thing on our problem set, remember we're on lesson 8 problem set. Make sure that's where you are too. If you aren't, go ahead and pause it. Have someone help you find the page if you need to. Now, I want you to ignore these circles, and in the directions it says use your bracelet. We don't have these bracelets. Usually we would use them when we were in school, but we don't have them. We're not learning in school. We're learning at home. So we have to sometimes make changes that work for our needs right now. Okay? All right, so let's get started here. I'm going to straighten out my materials. There we go. I like that better. We are going to first, because I see our math book made a mistake. Do you see there's no plus sign right here in the middle? Will you add a plus sign with me right there? I don't know how they missed that one. All right, thank you. Okay, so let's see here. This bracelet, we'll just take a look at this bracelet first, has some beads at the top and some beads at the bottom. Okay, now how many beads are at the top? 1, 2, 3, good. And count how many are on the bottom here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hope you counted 7. So we have 3 on top and 7 on the bottom. I wonder what 3 and 7 make. Let's make sure. Let's count on. So 7 is our bigger number, and we're going to count 3 more. 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, so what do 7 and 3 make? They make 10. All right, we're going to start making our partners to 10. So 7 and 3 is one of them. And now they have room for another expression. Do you see my 2 fingers? What are they about to do? They're about to flip-flop. So 3 and 7 also make 10. Okay, let's see if we can find some more. So with me on your whiteboard, I want you to make 2 neat rows of 5 with circles. Make them super neat. Okay, they almost look like they're little, like the chips or counters that we use are laying on our board. Okay, now we have how many circles on our board, boys and girls? What do we have if we have 5 and 5? Oh, we have 10. You got it. Okay, so right now, how many of my counters are white? Or how many are not colored in? They're all not colored in, so they're 10, right? 10 are not colored in. How many are colored in? I hope you say none, because you are right. So that's the second way we make 10. It can be 10 and what? 10 are not colored in, and 0 are colored in right now. 10 and 0 make 10. Okay, so here we go. To make our next expression, we need to flip-flop. 0 and 10 also make 10. Okay, this is where it gets interesting, boys and girls. Now you get to use your marker and let's shade in just one of our counters. Just one. Now I see a row of 4 and 5. Well, let's look at our next expression set here. We have how many not colored in? not colored in. 5 and 4 make 9. Good. And how many are colored in? We should, if you're following along with Mrs. Garris, you should have 1 colored in. So 9 and 1 make 10. Now let's flip them. What will our next expression say? It should say 1 first and 9 second. 1 and 9 also make 10. Good work. Let's see if we can get a new way to make 10. Go ahead and get your marker. What do you think you're going to do? You're going to shade in 1 more of your circles. Ooh. Now how many are left uncolored in? Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 and 3 make 8. So 8 and what? Our other part is the part that is colored in, which is 2. Good work. Can you flip them? Now we'll have 2 and 8 also make 10. Nice job. We have 2 more ways. Get your marker. What are we going to do? We're going to shade in 1 more. Ooh, now how many do we have? We have 7 not colored in and 3 colored in. Uh-oh, we already did that one. Remember when we used the books example? So we already used 7 and 3. Let's find a different one. So let's go ahead and shade in 1 more. Ah, now what do you see? What 2 parts are colored and not colored? We have, 5 and 1 not colored, so 5, 6. And how many colored in? You should have 4. 6 and 4 make 10. Or flip, flop, switch them. 4 and 6 make 10. Great job. Okay, you should know what's next. We have 1 more way. Get your marker and shade 1 more in. Ah, now what do we have? What 2 parts? I have 1 row colored in and 1 row not. So that means they're going to be having the same number. What number is it? It's just like on your hands. This many and this many make 10. 5 fingers and 5 fingers make 10, right? And what happens if we flip them? Oh, it's going to be the same thing. 5 and 5 make 10. Great work, boys and girls. Woo! All right, so if I were to keep going, you're probably thinking, Mrs. Garris, you didn't shade in all the circles yet. Well, watch. If I start shading them in more, now I have 6 colored in and 4. Did we already find 6 and 4? Yep, so they start repeating. If I color another one in, then we have 7 and 3 again, right here. If I color another one in, we have 8 and 2 again. There it is, we already found it. Then I'll have 9 and 1. And last, I'll have 10 and 0 again. See how that works? Okay, so these partners to 10 are super duper important for you to know. The last thing I would like you to do in your problem set today, boys and girls, is this part of this page, okay? I want you to do number 2 where it says match the partners of 10, then write a number bond for each partner. So let's see what they did. See how they looked over here in this row, and they looked over here and they said, what number in this row is partners with 10? Well, boys and girls, if you don't remember, let's look back at the page we just worked on, because you can use this. Oh, 10 is with 0. Okay, so they took the line and they drew it from 10 to 0. Then it says write a number bond for each partner. So look, here's the number bond that they wrote. They put 10 as their whole number and 10 and 0 as their parts. Okay, let's do one together. So letter B says, how many? It's 9. Well, who's 9's partner? Let's go back if you need to. Who is 9's partner? Do you see it? Is it here? I don't see 9. Is it here? I don't see 9. Is it here? Ah, I see 9. Who's 9's partner? It's 1. So I'm going to take my pen or my pencil and I'm going to draw a line from 9 to the number 1 over here. Now, we matched them up. Now we need to make a number bond for them. Okay? So, we used 9 and 1. And what do 9 and 1 make together? I hope you remember your best friend. 10. 9 and 1 make 10. See that? You see how they're flipping, flopping these number bonds too? They're trying to get extra tricky on us. So don't forget, your whole number goes in the big box and I'm sorry, I just had the word left my brain. Your whole number is here and your 2 parts go in the small boxes, okay? All right. So you can finish number 2 where you match and you do your number bonds, and then head back to Seesaw for your final activity for the day. As far as in math. Might not be your last activity of the whole school day, but for math, you'll finish this and then head back to Seesaw to finish your last math activity. I hope you had fun learning today, boys and girls. I can't wait to see your work.